Not yet.
We're on a road trip.
Yeah.
Hey, stop sticking your tongue out at us. Beautiful day.
Well, it's 6 degrees Celsius on the dashable board thingamajigger. And it's sunny out. And it's dry here. And it's supposed to get to double digits tomorrow. But we're going to have some rain tonight. But that's okay. We're going to get rid of some snow. Hey, guess where we're going?
We are heading into city.
Yeah, and we're going to a special place in the city. A place that I haven't shown before.
Oh, that'll be exciting.
Yeah. It's going to be Honda One Powerhouse in Mount Pearl.
Nice.
Now, you think Princess Auto is good. You got to see Honda One Powerhouse.
Yeah, because when you said it, I didn't know where we were headed. I didn't want to start guessing.
I'm going to tell you. Oh, yeah. There's going to be claw marks at the door where you tried to get me out.
I don't know if I want to go in there. There's too many temptations.
There's all temptations.
All temptations.
There's not too many. They're all.
Well, then I don't know if this is such a good plan.
Oh, man. It's going to be nice. So we're going to take you along, folks, when we get in there. We're going to show you around and see if you like it. Newfoundland. Folks, this is heaven. This is heaven. Don't know how much you're going to see of this, but there you go. Blow snowers, lots of blow snowers. Bikes up top everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. There's even a police bike there, folks. Right there. We'll go have a look at a wing. Oh boy, that's kind of neat. Trying to get the sun is coming in through the window.
Yeah, that's right. Same thing I'd say. Look, it's a CRF50.
Wow. Wicked, eh?
Mm-hmm.
That's a real bike.
Yeah, there's your, is that info? No. Yep.
Yeah. Cool.
That's cool.
Let's go down and show the folks a wing. Nice wing down here. Folks, this wing really needs a forever home. It's kind of a leftover. It's a brand new bike. And I just love the color. The color is gorgeous. Hey Kathy, nice color, eh? That beautiful color.
Yeah, it's 3 tones.
So, it's got some reductions on it too. Good reductions.
Wow, does it ever?
Yeah. So,
wow.
So like I say, folks, we're in Mount Pearl, Newfoundland. Honda One Powerhouse. Beautiful store, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I like the gold striping too with the black and the red. It really
two-tone,
nice.
beautiful.
Yeah,
right?
it is.
Yeah, there's no doubt about it. Yeah, I could give it a good home too, but I got too many in the stable.
Yeah, you do have too many in the stable.
Yes.
You're stable.
Oh yeah.
So.
Chock right full.
Yeah.
Yeah, so all kinds of stuff here, folks. So there could be somebody in PEI, there could be someone on the west coast of Newfoundland that's looking for a good deal on a wing. Not to sound like a commercial, but we just happen to come in here picking up parts and stuff. So we just thought we'd take the camera and show our YouTube people, right?
I like that disc in the center too.
Oh, it's a beautiful dealership, absolutely beautiful. So you never know. So call the sales team at Honda One Powerhouse, and if you're interested, you can try to get that bike. You might be able to ride out on a wing.
What's this one? Is this like a police bike?
That's a police bike, yeah. Yeah, that's an old timer, that one.
Oh.
Yeah, old timer, beautiful bike. Yeah. So let's go over to parts and get our bike. Or get our parts.
Tractor, yeah, we gotta go to Kubota.
Kubota, okay.
And Princess Auto.
Okay, let's get going.
What's one you got?
We'll keep that off.
You got your part.
Okay, cool. Good job, let's go. Hope you enjoyed it, folks. Great dealership. Where you going?
This is the one I want.
What? That's the one that you want.
Oh my God.
Well, on the first video that you were operating, I said, I called it, I'm about to lose my tractor. Well, according to this, now I'm about to lose my mind.
Wow, look at the size of boots.
Some boots on that one.
Some boots.
Come on, let's go inside before we lose my mind. Nice, huh?
Beautiful.
Cool. Where are you going? Huh?
Oh,
We gotta go in there seriously.
seriously, that's right.
I don't want to go in there.
Well, you're going in.
I gotta go in.
You gotta go
You're
in.
forcing me to go in.
Forcing you.
Now, boys, if anybody tells you they're the boss in their own home, they're gonna watch them. They're gonna lie about something else.